So I'm gonna be showing you how these two diyas and this piece of cardboard for a wall hanging. So first we take the white color and paint this all white, and you can also paint the inside. Until these diyas dry, I'm gonna paint this white. After this dries, I'm gonna paint it orange. Until this dries, I'm gonna start painting this. Now I'm painting the inside of this one red. I finished the inside of this one, and now I'm doing the outside of this one. I think you got the point by now which design I'm trying to. I'm trying to do the opposite type. That the inside of that one is going to be red with yellow and gold spots, and this one outside is going to be red with yellow and gold spots. Now I'm gonna paint this one orange. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. They're all dry. Yeah. Now we're gonna make some spots. Now I'm gonna take this gold and yellow color, and now I'm going to take the white side or the red side. White side or the red side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take the white side. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to put a paper under here. Start golden, and we're going to put this one is for this. I have the gold color, and I'm taking the biggest one, and I'm going to put the first dot back where it was. Oh. I take my paint, put one dot, and I have to keep room for the yellow ones. They're not going to be all gold. Well, gold is a little too flashy. I have never painted on diyas before. This is my first time. So we'll see how it turns out. We don't know how it will work out. Because they're so hard, not normal. I'm not used to be painting on this hard surface and curved surface. More gold. This time I'm going to put it inside the diya, and this is a different diya. Can you see? Yes. I'm just going to sprinkle them around. This is yellow. Can you even see the yellow? Okay, so I have a lot of lace here. It's in like this cardboard wood thingy. I don't know what it's called. Thingy. Yeah. The diyas are now finished, and now I'm gonna start in this next craft, and I'm gonna show you how it turned out in the end of the video when I show both of them. This is. Did you notice one thing different about this video? Not right now, right? Because it's not that noticeable. Because you're doing two crafts in one video. Whoa, right? I've never done this before, like two crafts in a video. Why does this is cloth? It doesn't work. Come on, me. This thread is really beautiful though. You can kind of feel the glue coming a little over this. But it's not actually coming a lot, but it's coming a little. But it's still fine. Who cares? No one will notice, and then everyone notices. I'm going to use these square mirrors and two circles. Like one circle here, one circle there. And actually I need another one. I'm going to make it three circles. So I'm going to put the doubles of glue here. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna put a line of blue here. Yes. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. A 6. That looks amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why was I counting? And now I'm making a swastika. Now I'm going to put some glue to make some glittery stuff. That already looks so good. I have a jar of glitter here. And I'm going to sprinkle it on. And I can pick this up, don't worry. I think I should have done the glitter before I added the mirrors though. It's fine, mistakes. Don't do the mistake that I did, that I used the glitter after I put the mirrors and the lace. Don't do that. It's not a good idea. my gosh, I don't it. It's so glittery, I just don't know what to do. After this is dry, I will come back. So, bye. I use this red string to make this long piece of string, and I'm going to glue it here so I can hang it. I really like the glitter on this, and and these mirror thing, the star things we made, and the glitter is the best part, of course. And the lace. The lace has these little danglies, and they look cool. This looks cool too, and it's soft well, and it looks really cool, and I like it. And this looks like the what you would use in Diwali or as a wall hanging. Thanks for watching my video. And if you want more videos like this one, subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends. And bye bye! Happy Diwali! If you like my crafts, then give a like.